I have a GVC 160 on a mower, and it has the auto choke system. I've replaced the thermowax with no change. When I start it, it just run very rough and black smoke because the choke is not opening. I've taken the air filter box off and put the carb back on to see what's going on. I started and the choke either flutters open then closed with the pulse of the engine or just stays closed. If I open it partially by hand it will clear up and run like it should. The choke stays open when I do this. Also I have contacted Honda and the only thing they suggested was to replace the thermowax. While I have been working on this, another customer just showed up with the same problem. After about 3 minutes the thermowax does kick in like it should. But what engine needs 3 minutes of choking?
Have you checked the battery, particularly the terminal connections? Are they corroded?
There is no battery. It's a push mower.
What is the model/year of your Honda?
GCV 160 2016.
Are you fixing your vehicle yourself? What have you tried so far?
I've listed that already.
Anything else you want the mechanic to know before I connect you?
No.
Hello, I have some info from a shop manual that might help. See page 28.
Thank you. Where is page 28?
Did you click on blue link above?
Sorry, there is no blue link.
Let me retry.
Got it.
I think I sent the wrong info.
Yeah, that's not the same engine smile.
This is a supplement and the choke system. https://1drv.ms/bits per second. Acman PFZG3 FPU3 Yojact 1 DTTQLXG. E equals 1x7f.
Hi, this seems to be for an older model, mine is 2016-17. There is no choke lever. It is fully automatic.
The GCV 190 is newer and replaced the 160. Did you find page 28?
After looking over the pick and page 28 troubleshooting page, this is not the same model of choke. On my engine there is no choke linkage from the governor arm or lever. Mine has a thermowax to operate the choke. This manual does not show that.
Can you send me a pic or two?
Hope these help. As you can see, there is only one linkage for the throttle and there is no lever for the choke. It is fully automatic.
I found some updated info and will send shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Go to page 55. https://1drv.ms/bits per second. Acman PFZG3 FPU4H6 Lorry 9 OS 8 NZCW? E equals 5M9V6Z.
According to the troubleshooting page, it asks if the choke is fluttering, which it does sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. If it does flutter, it says that is normal operation, which watching an engine choke for 3 minutes is very sad. The other says if there is no flutter to replace the choke assembly. I will try this and will reply here the result.
Okay.
I decided not to order anything as I did more research of my own to see the before and after of the implementation of the auto choke to the choke plate. In the after pic it shows a hole on the short side of the plate. On mine there is an indent but no hole. I took a gamble and drilled the hole. Fires right up, and the choke plate now opens up right after startup, no black smoke or running rough. Thanks.
Very good. You did a fine job.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.